Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download sketch files for web design mockups, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download sketch files for web design mockups, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to a website that offers free or premium sketch files, such as Sketch Repo or Creative Market. Use the search bar to find specific mockups or templates that suit your project needs. Once you find a file you like, click on the download button or link provided on the page. If the site requires you to create an account, take a moment to sign up. After signing in, you may need to review any additional download options. For free files, simply follow the download prompt to save the file to your computer. For premium files, proceed to the payment process if applicable, and complete your purchase. After the transaction is complete, you should receive a download link. Click on this link to download the sketch file to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder or your designated download location. Next, open the Sketch application on your computer. Drag and drop the downloaded sketch file into the Sketch interface. Alternatively, you can go to the File menu and select Open, then browse for the downloaded file. Once the file is opened in Sketch, explore the layers and components included in the mockup. Feel free to customize the design elements to fit your web project requirements. Save your changes regularly as you work on your mockup. When you're satisfied with your design, export the necessary assets for your web development process. By following these steps, you can easily download and utilize sketch files for your web design mockups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.